All right, so I signed the transaction. Minting loose. There we go, baby. Man, I can't believe I just launched a meme coin. This is great. Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is show you step by step how you can create your very own meme coin on the Cardano blockchain. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So it came to my attention that Rocket is now out and you can begin to mint your very own NFTs. So we are on rocket.store. So as you guys know, there is JPEG Store. So with JPEG Store, that's a marketplace where you can mint your own NFTs and you can pick them up as well. So let's say, we've been talking about Meld for so long. Say you want to pick up a bank manager, which will spike your yield boost. You can pick one up over here. Well, now there is Rocket. In Rocket, you can now mint your own NFT. So we're going to do that together. So I loaded up one of my hot wallets. We got a few hundred ADA. Actually, I believe just 150 should be. So one thing you want to do is set up your crypto wallet. Make sure you have a good internet connection and have your images ready. So if we head over to the channel, you guys can watch my other tutorials, how to set up a Nami wallet. So I have tons of videos on how you guys can do this step by step. I even have a YouTube short. So I recommend that you guys check it out and you educate yourself on it. So once you set up your wallet, you can then connect and you want to have an idea. So for me personally, I already have an NFT in the Loose Moose NFT. So of course we're going to be making a NFT around that. So if we put Loose Moose, you guys can see my NFT collection. If you want, you can pick one up. You could also go to the link tree and use the link. We're also going to have a link for this meme coin. So by the way, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk, but I might as well leverage some of this. And what I did is I went to Midjourney. So with Midjourney, you can, type in what you want and it will come up with different ideas. So I like some of these and I kind of narrowed in on this one. So let me know what you guys think, but this is going to be the image that we uploaded, that we will upload in this video. So I just put in, Loose Moose. The moose is loose in the crypto world. Symbol, loose, drinking a beer. So this is what I came up with. This is what I like. And, that's one way you can, you can generate an image. Just use AI, use some ChatGPT if you want as well. So again, we're having fun with this. This is going to be cool. So let's go to create token. And first you want to, of course, connect your wallet. So here I've got my wallet. If I disconnect, all I'm going to do under Rocket, so Rocket by JPEG Store, I will have links for you in the description below. Click on Nami. Boom, we're connected. So we got our Nami wallet connected, Mitch Nami. Okay. So what we're going to do now is create our token. So hit create. And now we're going to go with the token ticker. And we also have the token name. So let's go with Loose Moose. That's what I want to aim towards. I guess we can go loose. See if loose is available. And then description. So description, I'm going to try a ChatGPT tagline. I kind of went with different ideas. So this is simple brainstorming. The moose is loose in the crypto world. So now we're going to upload our icon, our photo. So I got my Loose Moose. There we go. I like it. So definitely prior planning prevents poor performance. You guys want to prep this as best as you can. I'm really pumped about this. This is going to be cool. So supply is 1 billion. Initial buy amount optional. So you'll be buying, let's say, 100 ADA? So I'll be buying 6.7 million Loose Moose. Whatever, I don't care. This is worth it. Website, let's do our link tree. Might as well embed some information, right? And this is going to be tied somehow. Again, this is more for fun right now. I'm speculating this is just for whatever. Telegram X. So let me get to what is my X profile? So guys, comment down below. What do you think of these ideas? What are you guys doing? Discord, Telegram. We don't need any of that. That's fine. So I think we're good. I think that's all we need. So loose, we get the loose moose. Let's keep it loose. I think that's cool. Let's create token. Man, this is exciting. No way. Let's go, baby. This is going to be expensive. All right, so I signed the transaction. Minting loose. There we go, baby. So token page available in 31 seconds. So we are minting. So guys, comment down below. And if you can, guys, pick up some Loose Moose NFTs. Let's get it. So the idea of this, and you can see it right here. This is so cool. I'll let the time go. But basically, if we hit a certain amount, then the token gets launched. If it doesn't, then the token does not get launched. I believe that's how it works. So guys, this is Rocket by JPEG Store. Go to token page. Look at that. We got the Loose Moose NFT with 1.33% funded. Guys, let's get this token funded. It's not going to take a lot. So we need, I think is it 7,000 ADA? So not a lot. But guys, we just launched our official Loose Moose token. So guys, this is cool, man. This is cool. So we now have Loose Moose tokens. And guys, I'm definitely going to pick some up and airdrop some. If we hit the quote. If we hit the quote, what I will do is I will take some of my amount. I'm going to give it away. So it's going to be cool. So go under Rocket. Guys, the Loose Moose token is now here. So what did get funded? So launched. So this was Crypto Crows. The founder has 1%. Guys, I only have 0.66%. So let's get this thing launched, man. So let's see. Let's just wait a couple of minutes. Guys, like I just love this crypto stuff and the fact that look at this, man. Oh man, this is awesome. This is so cool. Like the fact that we have our link tree embedded. Man, I can't believe I just launched a meme coin. This is great. This is great. So, guys, like, I'm not going to rug on you guys. I'm going to hodl these tokens. Like, I'm not here to make profit. I just think it's cool that we now have, potentially we'll be able to launch, the Loose Moose token. So anyways, guys, with that being said, check out our other videos. Comment down below if you're launching your own meme token on Cardano. Guys, use code MOOSE and save 10% off your Tangem wallet. I got one right here. I love it. I'm also in talks with Tangem. We are potentially going to be launching a Crypto Moose branded wallet. And in fact, guys, if this token actually gets launched, if people start buying this, then what we're going to do is we are going to put the Loose Moose logo for the meme coin on a Tangem. That's the goal. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one, guys.